Hi everyone, today would be our last SASMO practice, which is number 7. And I hope you guys really learn a lot throughout our holiday break in February. And it is your teacher Steve and usual for the last time, okay? Without further ado, let's start with question number 1. Running at the same rate, 10 identical printers can print 10 pages in 10 seconds. At this rate, how many printers are needed to print 60 pages in 1 minute? 1 minute. 1 minute equals to how many seconds? 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So this is the first conversion we need to do, which means how many printers are needed to print 60 pages in 60 seconds? Let's write down what the question told us first. 10 printers in 10 seconds can print 10 pages. One printer can print how many pages in 10 seconds? Let's see. So from 10, I divide 10 into 1 printer. The time taken is still the same. So 10 divided by 10 equals 1 page. 1 printer can print 1 page in 10 seconds. How about in a minute? How many pages does it print? The number of printers still remains the same, but this time we are going to make it into 1 minute. 1 minute, we need to times how many? We need to times 6. Times 6 because 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So we need to times 6 as well as the number of page. We also times 6. Therefore, 1 printer in a minute can print 6 pages. How many printers are needed? The number of printers needed equals to 60 divided by 6. 60 pages divided by 6 pages. We will get 10. So 10 printers are needed. That's how we can solve this type of questions. Let's move on to question number 2. Robots are used to assemble cars in a factory. 4 robots assemble 13 cars in 15 minutes. If all robots assemble cars at the same speed, how many cars can 14 robots assemble in 3 hours? Just like question number 1, we need to write down the conversion. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, and this is very important. 4 robots in 15 minutes can assemble 13 cars. 4 robots can assemble how many cars in 1 hour? How many? So from 15 minutes, how do I get 1 hour? I use 60 minutes divided by 15 equals 4. I need to times 4 equals an hour. Therefore, the number of cars assembled, we also times 4. 13 times 4 equals 52. Therefore, 52 cars. And then, I want to calculate 4 robots in 3 hours can assemble how many cars? From 1 hour to 3 hours, we times 3. The number of cars also times 3. 52 times 3 equals 156. We got 156 cars. And then we need to calculate one robot in 3 hours can assemble how many cars? From 4 to 1 robot in 3 hour time. We need to divide by 4. Same goes to the number of cars divided by 4. 156 divided by 4 equals 39. 39 cars. And the question asks, how many cars can 14 robots assemble in 3 hours? From 1 robot to 14 robots, we times 14. So do the number of cars times 14. 39 times 14 equals 546. Therefore, in 3 hours time, 14 robots can assemble 546 cars. And that's how we solve this question. You need to find one unit first, which means one robot in 3 hours time can assemble how many cars. Then we calculate according to the question given, which is 14 robots. That's it for our SASMO practice. It's been a long journey since beginning of February till the end of the February. And see you guys in our lesson soon. Bye bye.